Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PlayStation VR2 Pro guide step by step clearly. Unbox your PlayStation VR2 headset and accessories carefully. Lay out all components for a clear view of what's included. Ensure you have a PlayStation 5 console ready for setup. Connect the included USB cable to the PlayStation 5. Plug the other end of the USB cable into the PlayStation VR2 headset. Next, take the power adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. Connect the power adapter to the PlayStation VR2 processor unit. Now, connect the HDMI cable from the PlayStation 5 to the processor unit. Take an additional HDMI cable and connect it from the processor unit to your TV. Power on your PlayStation 5 console. Put on the PlayStation VR2 headset. Adjust the straps for a comfortable fit on your head. Navigate to the settings menu on your PlayStation 5. Select accessories and then choose PlayStation VR2. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup. Calibrate the headset by adjusting the view to fit your vision. Make sure your play area is clear of obstacles for safe movement. Download any necessary software updates to enhance performance. Explore the VR library to find games and experiences that interest you. Experience the immersive world of PlayStation VR2 and enjoy gaming like never before. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.